Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video I'm gonna show you 9 common mistakes that you should not be doing to your car in order to make it last longer. Whenever you want to park, don't just put the gear shifter on parking position immediately. Right now all the weight on gear shifter. It will damage transmission in the future. Instead of that, put the gear shifter on neutral position, engage the brake and then parking position. Refueling when low fuel light is on. That causes fuel pump to suck what's left at the bottom of the fuel tank. No matter how clean the fuel is, there is always small particles including water rested at the bottom of the fuel tank. And also it will burn the fuel pump due to not having enough fuel to cool down the fuel pump. That's more likely happens in the summer. Washing hot engine can cause many problems. Yeah, most of the parts waterproof, but the steam can easily get into the wire harness connectors and cause short circuit, and for sure it will depend on car's age as well. Always use recommended engine oil type. Don't change it to thicker oil if you're living in hot weather or if the car is old. These modern VVT variable valve timing engines need thin oil in order to make the camshaft solenoid works properly. Check your owner's manual to know what climate temperature range you live in to choose the oil type. Don't put the dish soap in windshield fluid. They will dry out the wipers. Use wiper fluid instead of that. Or make it yourself at home. I have a video about that where you can make your own windshield fluid. I will put the link in the description box below if you wanna check it out. After washing the engine, using WD-40 to make the plastic pop out and restore them. Yes, they will look great, but the surface will be like a magnet for the dust. It will be like this after a few weeks. Of course, depends on where you're living as well. Never use compressed air for the interior. It will push the dust into the corners and into the vents. Instead of that, use soft detailing brush and a vacuum cleaner. It will be much easier for cleaning all the corners, and these vent brushes will be handy for cleaning the vents. Washing hot wheels can easily warp the brake rotor. Not only affects the brake performance, also the steering wheel shakes when braking due to warping the brake rotor. So wait at least half an hour before washing your car every time. Never use these brushes for washing your car. It will damage the clear coat and create sore marks. Instead of that, use wash mint and a car shampoo. These were my 9 top things that you should never do to your car. If the video was helpful, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.